Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Crafty Mama. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm going to do today is I am going to show you guys how I created or how I sublimate on the license plates. The ones in my thumbnail. Those are the ones I'm going to do today. But I'm also going to show you how I created the image in the program that I use to do it, because I know a lot of people have questions about what program were people using or templates or whatever to get the words in those images like that. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, what program, and then I'm going to sublimate 2 images onto license plates for everybody. So if you'd like to learn how to do that, go ahead and stick around. I'm just going to hop right into it. The program that you use to get that picture, that image, it's going to be wordart.com. You do not have to create an account. I haven't. I'm just creating and then I download it. You do have to pay for your downloads. One download is $4.99, or you can get 5 for $10, and then it just kind of goes up from there. They do have it where you can do like 1 month of unlimited downloads for $30. If you feel like you're going to do a lot of these images, it might be worth it to do that. I just did the 5 downloads and I paid $10 for 5 downloads through my PayPal. So that's what I did. So we're just going to click create. This is the first image that I made. This is my business name. So this is going to be one image that's going to go onto the first license plate, and I'm going to make 2. So I'm going to go ahead. These are the words over here. These are the colors, the angles, the font, and the size. I pretty much want to keep it the same square here for the next one I'm going to do. I'm going to do a Black Lives Matter one. So Black Lives Matter. And I want the color of this first word right here, Black Lives Matter. It's going to be this big word right here in the middle. So whatever this first word is, it's going to be right here directly in the middle. It's going to be in other spots too, like right here and right here, but you are going to see it right here directly in the middle. Okay, so the next word is going to be black. And then I'm just going to separate it. Black Lives. Sorry about that. I hit my mic. Black Lives and then Matter. And then I want to make this red. I want to make lives. Maybe I'll leave that. I'll leave that black. And then I'll turn this one red to see how it looks, just black and red. And then we're going to hit visualize so that it changes the words. Okay, so now it says Black Lives Matter all over. Or maybe I should do yellow. Yeah, let me do yellow. Apply. Visualize just to make sure. I know it already changed the color. Okay. Yeah, I like that. You know what? I could probably do this green. Yeah, I think I'm going to do like that. Sorry, I was looking at it trying to decide if I wanted to do those colors. Okay, so I'm going to do the black, the red, the green, and the yellow. Okay, so this is going to be what I'm going to do on the second one, the Black Lives Matter. I want to keep it in this square shape because my license plate is 12 by 6. So when I upload it into Silhouette to print off, because it's already in the square shape, I can just go ahead and readjust it. They do have other shapes though. Like if you want to do a $sign, just click the $sign, click visualize, and now it's in the shape of a $sign. You can do numbers. So if you're doing a shirt for like a 1-year-old, you could probably like put their name in here and it'd be like a birthday shirt, #1 birthday shirt. They have all different types of stuff that you can make the shapes into. So you can just come in here and kind of play around with it and see what, type of stuff you want to create. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go with the square so that I can print it off in the rectangle size. It's just going to be easier for me. We're going to go up here to download PNG. I already did that, so I'm not sure why it's making me do it again. Oh, so it looks like you can maybe do the standard the standard PNG for free. Huh. See, my crazy butt just bought the HD one and it looks the same. Well, anyways, I just downloaded a standard PNG. I'm gonna upload it, or I'm gonna save it onto my computer. So I'm gonna save it under Black Lives Matter. And then I'm gonna go to Silhouette. This is really my first time doing this with you guys. That's why I'm kind of like, I'm not sure what's going on. But you're gonna go, and now I'm in Silhouette. I'm using the basic edition, and I use the Silhouette basic edition to print bigger because I have a Cricut, so I normally use Cricut to cut and to cut my vinyl and things like that. But if you have a Cricut, you know that you can't print most of the sizes that you need out of Cricut. So I just downloaded the basic edition Silhouette software onto my computer, and that's what I use to print bigger when I'm sublimating or print and cut or whatever. I use the Silhouette basic edition. It is free. So I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Merge, my desktop, and I am going to pull up my image here. This was the first one that I created. You see it's too big, so we have to resize it. So click on the image. The width of my license plate is 12. The height is 6. So now I have my 12 by 6 here. I'm going to make a new page, open up a new page, File, Merge, and then I'm going to pull up my Black Lives Matter PNG. And we're going to resize this to 12 by 6. So I downloaded this one in the standard, as you guys saw, and then I paid for this one in high definition, and they look the same. So now I'm kind of irritated I paid for that, but whatever. And then, with sublimation, you have to mirror every single time. So I'm going to go to Object, Mirror, Flip Horizontally. I'm going to go to my first page, click it, Object, Mirror, Flip Horizontally. I'm going to be printing this on 11 by 17 paper, which is the A-sub. The A-sub paper is what I use. I'm going to go ahead and get these printed off, and then I will come back with my heat press and I will show you how I press it. So go ahead and stick around. All right, guys, I am back here. I do have my images printed out. These are the license plates that I'm going to be sublimating on. I did get these from the same website that I got the bonnets from, that I got the book bag from, that I got the crossbody bag from, all on the same website. I'll definitely make sure I link that website in the description box below. These license plate do have a film on it on the front. You have to peel this off. Don't forget to peel this off on the front. So that's what I'm doing now. Same with this one. It has a film on the front. You got to peel it off. And then the back of it is just silver. And then you have the white front. This is the side we're going to be sublimating on. And then I have my images here, and I have already cut them out. So what I'm going to do, and on the bottom here, this is just a piece of butcher paper because I want to take the padding to my heat press. Because these have holes in it right here. This is where you screw it onto your car if you're going to actually put it on your car. And the ink is probably going to bleed through here, this hole. So you don't want that to get on your heat press mat. So make sure you put a piece of butcher paper there to protect your mat. And I'm just going to line them up here on my mat so I can do 2 at a time. And then here's my image. I have already cut it out. This is the Black Lives Matter one. And we're just going to place it on here. Line it up. You can tape it down if you want to. I actually think I'm going to tape this one down just because it's kind of smaller and it's moving around. I need to get me like a little tape dispenser roll thingy. I don't have one. I just have the roll of tape and then I cut it. I'm gonna remember to order one of these days. But I'm just gonna go ahead and tape this down because I don't want that to move and be crooked. Okay, so I got my first one taped. This is my second image. And then same thing, just gonna line it up and I'm gonna tape this down. Okay, so now we have both of them taped down here. I'm going to cut off another piece of butcher paper. And I'm going to place this on top of it to protect my plate up here up top from the ink. I'm going to go ahead. I have my heat press set to 400 degrees. We're going to press for 60 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and press this and I will be back. Okay, so my heat press is just about done here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Remove my paper. Okay, it is very, very hot. Kind of like the business cards, how the business cards that I did, those were extremely hot. I don't have the little gloves. I need to get some. Oh wow, that looks good. Wow, that looks really good. This Black Lives Matter one, here I'm going to show you guys. It's a little crooked. I must have taped it down wrong a little bit. See how you can see the white here at the bottom? So that one's a little crooked, but that's okay. You can't tell unless you're like right up on it. And then that's the Crown Custom one. I'm gonna pull it up so y'all can see it. I was just waiting for it to cool off for a second because they are hot. You know what? I think there's a film on the back of this, now that I'm looking at it. There is. There is also a film on, a piece of film on the back. But here is this one. I'll turn it so y'all can see it with the light. See how it's shiny? That looks really cute. And I know y'all can see it. There's a piece of film on the back of here. I didn't know that, or I would have taken it off. Let me see. I might have burned it on there now that I'm looking at it. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. So yeah, here it is. It's coming off now. So there's a piece of film on the back too. It's on the front and on the back. So before you press it, take the film off the back too. Okay. And there's the front, and that's the back. And it's got little pieces of film. But yeah, make sure you take the film off the back too, or you'll burn it on there. That's why it's stuck to this paper. See how it kind of burned? But it's okay because it comes right up. This junk is hot. Okay. See how it comes right off. I'll peel that off in a second, but here's the other one. Colors are vibrant. It's glossy and shiny. So yeah, guys, that's how you use the word art. That's how you sublimate onto the license plate. Again, make sure you peel the film off the back. I didn't know there was a piece of film back here. There's going to be a piece of film on the front and the back. Alright, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and drop them down below. If you have any video ideas that you would like me to do, go ahead and comment those down below as well, and I will try to get them out for you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.